Next entry number 9, Baao National High School, Santa Cruz, Baao, Camarines Sur. School Head, Dr. Irma Iscoro. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Micaela Fernandez, First Class. Corps S1, Cadet Major Jomar Buenavente, First Class. Corps S2, Cadet Major Micaela Mercado, First Class. Corps S3, Cadet Major Nick Mendoza. Corps S4, Cadet Major Francine Gagliarte, First Class. Corps S5, Cadet Major G. Infelas, First Class. Major Leader, Cadet Technical Sergeant Elizil Grace Bustamante, First Class. Band Leader, Cadet Technical Sergeant Jerome Fajardo, First Class. Company Commander, Cadet Captain Jason Sigalat, Second Class. Company XO, Cadet Second Lieutenant Nino Frank Hudabar, Second Class. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Francis Cienfuegos, Second Class. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Charmel Baliber, First Class. CAT Facilitator Commandant Gerard Casimero and Madmore Matubis. Fund Advisor Coordinator Emmanuel Cal. Major Trader Helen Grace Breseno, Monet Brizuela and Billy Ching A. Manlangi. Band Master Trainer Batan Brothers. Entry number 9, Baao National High School, Santa Cruz, Baao, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 9, Baao National High School, Santa Cruz, Baao, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 10, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur Incorporated, Fortuna Street, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur. School Head, Mr. Roberto Palanca. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant